Before I tell you how I built this, let me show you why I'm so excited about it. In a very dark pond like this one, with a black plastic background, plants and structures hiding the light, where it's very difficult to see and film the inhabitants, I have achieved great results. Although at first the results were far from perfect, I have found the secrets that achieve quality. Which are these secrets? In this video, you'll find the answers. I started off with a 6-inch long strip of LEDs, 60 diodes per meter, with 14.4 watts per meter, and a 1 amp charger. Test results with this strip, stuck to the inside of the glass on my bathyscope, showed that the light reflects onto the glass, blurring sharpness and washing out the colors. Also, these reflections and the light hitting things floating in the water affect the ability of the camera to focus properly. In consequence, I covered the LED strip with black silicone, but that wasn't good enough. A better solution was to put the LED strip in an aluminum curtain track, well sealed on all sides with black silicone. Tests carried out showed that using an aluminum track for the LEDs improved contrast and color, but produced a harsh line of light that is inconvenient for filming. The ray of light coming out of the track was not large enough to cover the whole field of view. The solution for this issue is to stick a sheet of diffusing acrylic with clear silicone over the track before sticking it to the glass. The test results show an enormous difference. The colors are richer, the background is darker, and there is no harsh boundary of light when moving the camera up or down. Everything looks much more natural. To achieve a stronger light to film inside my nursery, where the water surface is covered by floating plants, so it's much darker, I have added another strip of LEDs on the other side of the glass. And finally, to reduce reflections from inside the bathyscope, all walls are covered with a black cloth stuck with silicone. If you want to use it outdoors, where there is no electric outlet, just connect a 12-volt battery instead of the charger. And don't forget to add a fuse on the positive wire for safety. To calculate how long a battery will last, divide its capacity in amps per hour by the current rate of your LED strip. If you want to copy my project, I use the following. A 6-inch strip of a 12-volt 60 LEDs per meter and 14.4 watts per meter LED. A 1 amp 12-volt charger. Red and blue or brown wires to keep polarity clear. A soldering iron with solder and flux. A small terminal block so we can remove the charger or batteries when not needed. Well, there we are. A strip of leads, an old charger, recycled aluminium track, recycled acrylic diffuser, blackened inside, and a clear view of the fish inside the refugium. Now I need a periscope. Back to work. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.